So guys, we're down in County Meath today and we're going to travel around all of Meath, and then we're going to travel down to West Meath as well. So as you can see, we have an abbey to the right hand side here, and the name of this abbey is Bective Abbey. So we're going to take a walk inside, get a bit of footage, and then I'm going to throw the drone up and get a bit of aerial footage for you as well, okay? So I hope you enjoy. Talk to you in the next one. Unfortunately now I don't think we can actually get into this abbey. There seems to be locks on all the gates, as you can see there. So it's probably going to be the drone footage that's going to get it all for us today, just to see the inside of it. Yeah, there's padlocks on every one of the gates, so we're actually not going to get in with the phone. So we're at one of the first gates here now, and it looks like a little small praying room. I'm just going to put it up here at the top, and you can see that's kind of a little altar there. So we've just moved around to the side of it there now. There's a little window here that I want to try and see, can we get any footage inside. Yeah, so guys, there's little small parts around this abbey that we can actually walk into. You're probably just going to hear the noise of my bleeding feet walking along the stones here. It's not all about that, it's all about the views. Looking at all the stuff. That's what's inside the hole there on the wall. I'm just going to move around the side here now. Get a small walkway. Oh, I have to duck here, because you know me, 6'3". Oh Jesus. Yeah, just leaves you into an open room. Oh, there seems to be some sort of a nest up there, as you can see. Oh, nothing flies out at me. Yeah, just a little small room I'm in here now. So we go around the corner and see what else is around the corner. So that's the little tunnel I was walking under, where I was saying I was 6'3", I couldn't move. But this is another little small hole. I'm going to head back out there now. So yeah, after walking out that little tunnel now, we're around the opposite side of it, and you can actually walk into the middle of this abbey, which is kind of strange because I don't know why they even have the padlocks on the other gates. There must be something very important inside them, so more than likely that's why they're on it. But we'll take a little jump down here and have a look and see what's inside. So I take it that's the room we already seen when I went through the little window around the corner. This one here we haven't seen. Oh, we did. That's the one that was at the opposite side. But look at this, man. So as I said already, guys, I'm sorry about the noise of the footsteps, because it's all just stone in here. There's an outboard taken off there now. Up these little steps here. Right, so there you go, guys. This is off the camera on my phone. So the next thing to do now is get the drone up into the air. I don't know what's in here. It just seems to be It's like a little before the roof and all was lost on it, I'd say it was a little stairway. But we'll go up and have a look. Now, it's going to be hard to go over to this side. But we'll give it a go. But this is where it leads to. It's actually cool. I'd love to do this at night time. That's all of it there. So I'm had to climb up all these stairs here, and as you can see there's no stairs there. I had to kind of jump across, and that's why this bit of video was kind of a bit shaky. Look at that.